Hey guys, it's David from Automotive Press. I just want to show you what's happening here with my 2023 Lexus GX 460 because we're getting a set of winter tires installed. These are the Continental VikingContact 8. They're newest winter tires which will perform wonderfully, I'm hoping anyway, in the winter time. And I'm going to find out that very shortly once the weather gets a little bit more nasty here in the West Coast. But for now, I'm switching from the Michelin OEM tires, which are all season. They're not going to be very good in the winter time, especially below 7 degrees Celsius when these compounds gets a little bit hardened. And plus, they're a little bit worn out now that the car is a couple of years old. Of course, it's going to be much better to install these ones, which is Continental VikingContact 8, as I mentioned. But you can tell the sipes are really aggressive. You can see the soft compound. I can actually use my hand to open the sipes, and they're going to be absolutely world-class when it comes to performing on the winter road. And I'm going to report on that once we get some snow and nasty conditions here in the West Coast. But for now, I just want to show you the installation process. I got them on this new bronze wheels, which should look really good with this 2023 GX. As you guys know, this still has a V8 engine in it. So beautiful GX. Sometime halfway through the winter, I'm going to then move the wheels over to my 2025 GX 550 because they are comparable in terms of the offset and the wheel size. And I'm going to try them on my new GX as well because I want to feel the ride, the handling, the performance, not just in terms of winter condition, but also on a regular road and also under rainy conditions as well, which we get a lot in Vancouver. So you can tell again, I got one more wheels to install there. You can see how aggressive and how interesting the treads are because I can tell from my engineer's perspective that these types and the tread pattern will do really well in a very slippery conditions. Now, I also own a number of other Continental tires that I purchased before. This was set up by Continental Tires themselves, but the one I have on Porsche Cayenne S is also Continental. They're DWS all-season tires, and they perform amazingly well. So I'm really looking forward to trying these ones out, both in terms of regular rainy conditions that we get here in Vancouver, but also wintry conditions with snow and ice. And I'll report back to you guys a little bit later on. For now, I just want to show you what's happening with my 2023 GX and installation of the new tires and wheels. If you want to get some really good advice and service, come down to 1010 Tires here in Richmond as well. They're amazing. This is the only place I deal with. And Justin, the manager, is really knowledgeable about cars and he loves cars. So this is a place to do it for sure. And a big thank you for Continental Tires for providing these tires. Let's see how they perform down the road. So I just drove out of the 1010 Tires where I got these new Continental winter tires installed. And so this is my very first impression. Right off the bat, I can already say that these tires are quieter, smoother, feels more luxurious. In fact, silky smooth when compared to the OEM tires, which are Michelin's, and they're actually very good tires as well. But these ones are substantially better. I can really tell the ride is super smooth, silky smooth, and it's also just very quiet. So I just drove over some tire tracks, and you know what, it's really quiet. And I've tested and evaluated many tires in the past, and sometimes winter tires are noisy. That's sort of one of the disadvantages of having winter tires. They can be noisier than your traditional all-season tires, but not these ones. I can tell right away, despite the heavy rain, that they're really quiet, very smooth. And let me see how the handling is. I'm just moving my wheels left and right, and I would say the sharpness is also better than the Michelin's. Granted, the Michelin's are a little bit worn out now. They're a few years old, but these are a phenomenal tires. Just in terms of my first impression, there's no snow, there's no ice right now, and we won't get that for a couple more months here in Vancouver. So I look forward to trying these tires on those type of circumstances. But right now, just in heavy rain, these ones feels very quiet, silky smooth. And wow, I mean, you know, winter tires are typically not this quiet. We have many media or press cars that we drive with winter tires, and usually I can tell right away they're winter tires because they're a little bit noisy, not as smooth, not as quiet, but these ones are extraordinarily comfortable. And also winter tires tend to have a softer compound, so generally speaking, they ride a little bit better. But in this particular Continental set of tires, it's even more obvious in terms of difference between these ones and what came with the GX 460 originally. Now, sometime halfway through the winter times, once I go through one or two snowstorms with these sets of tires, I will move these tires to my new GX 550 because I purposely chose the set that can fit both, and I'll try it on a new GX 550 as well. But right now, as far as this one is concerned, which is the 2023 GX 460, the quality of ride and the feel is absolutely excellent. Feels world class. Let's see how these things perform once I get to know them a little bit more, once I get to drive them a little bit more, especially in some nasty winter conditions. I look forward to having some snow and try these guys out, and I'll give you guys further update. So until next update, I'll talk to you guys later.